100 proofs we are not spinning on a ball. And if you believe we are, I guarantee you, you have never researched or heard of any of these things that this guy spits out right here.
Second law of thermodynamics, Newton's third law of motion, all the gas laws, abyssal planes take up 50% of the ocean's floor, accelerometer in your phone proves we're not moving, Ares failure, Elias effect, airplane level flight, the FAA trains pilots on the target generation facility. That's a flat, non-rotating Earth, and they negate a gravity vector. Then you have the attitude indicator inside the airplane if you're going around a globe. The gimbal base would shift its orientation around the gyroscope. Then you've got ancient civilizations. Angular size of Mercury would be impossible to see on the heliocentric model. Astrolabes, astroarchaeology, lining up giant megalithic structures with the sky. Astronauts should not be drowning in space. The AE map is used by the USGS to calculate distances outward from the North Pole and to map Antarctica. Barre de Crens, world record photograph. Bedford level, famous test over a 6-mile canal. The Bible says the earth is flat, non-rotating, it doesn't move, it's immovable, it will never move, it's on foundations. The black swan destroys the physical geometric horizon. Bridges would have to account for curvature, they don't. Building walls would be leaning away from each other, they're not. Then you have buoyancy and density, that's all you really need for gravity. Then you got canals, cannons, the Canadian Geodetic Survey. Cavendish is not a real experiment. Crepuscular rays from the sun, anti-crepuscular rays from the sun. There's no Coriolis. Daytime full moon. Dynamo thresholds never been reached. Ask Dan Lanthrop at the University of Maryland. The EQ mount. The equinoxes. Fauna and flora is drastically different in the north than it is in the south. Frozen lakes have been tested. They're not curving. Fluid static state, large bodies of water at rest are level and horizontal. Doesn't matter what the shape of their container is. And you need a container. A ball is not a container unless you put the water on the inside or you flatten that ball out and pour the water in a bowl. So, geographic range table from the US Coast Guard lists distances from sea level that you can observe things. No curvature. The gravitational anomalies. Gay-Luss-Sachs law, Charles law, Boyle's law, the unified gas law. Then you've got Occam's razor, Olbiter's paradox, Operation Fishbowl, Operation High Jump, Operation Dominic, Operation Manhigh, Project Mockingbird. Then we've got, what else do we got? Sagnac. He said that the 15 degree an hour shift in the interferometry was due to the vortex of the ether. There's specular highlights. The moon should have one. It does not. Specular reflections. Large bodies of water have specular reflections. That only happens on a flat surface, free of bends, curves, or irregularities. Synonyms are plumb, flush, smooth, flat as a pancake. Then you've got telemetry data that NASA's losing. All the pictures of the globe are CGI with photoshopped clouds. Astronauts and their hairspray and their wires and harnesses. They're ghosting out of screen. There's bubbles in space. It's all fake. What else we got? Permaculture, planispheres, ephemerides, quantum locking, railguns, railroads, the Earth's a Tesla coil, what's it called? Sonoluminescence, U-2 spy planes, vectors in all the space logos. Whales can communicate 4,000 miles apart. Guillermo Marconi sent a 2,000-mile radar transmission or microwave transmission across the Atlantic. Famous explorers like Captain Cook, Picard, all those people. And the UV light index shows that the sun is small and local. Green flash shows that the sun is above the horizon when it sets. And that's about all I got for you today, guys.
If you want to learn what I believe to be true, Go to my website, download all my free books. I have one with 200 pages on all flat earth proofs. I love you all, and this video is my